Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to International Opportunity Hub. My name is Akib Shahzad. So, guys, if you are new in my channel, please watch my previous video. They will help you in getting you international scholarship, internship, and exchange program for the year of 2022. So, today we are going to discuss Skoltech scholarship program that is in Russia, a fully funded program. So, let's have a look on it. Skoltech scholarship program 2022 in Russia. Skoltech Scholarship 2022 in Russia for international students. Applications are open to apply for the Skoltech Scholarship 2022 in Russia. International students are eligible to apply for Russian Skoltech fully funded scholarship. The Skoltech Scholarship Russia offering free master and PhD degree scholarship for international students in Russia. For this full free scholarship, participants from around the world can apply for the master and PhD degree programs. IELTS and TOEFL is not a necessity. All academic fields and majors are available for MSc program and PhD programs. One of the easiest international scholarship 2022 to study abroad. This scholarship will cover all expenses to study free in Russia. Skoltech is a private university in Russia, partnership with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology MIT, offering free study in Russia. Russia's scholarship are one of the greatest international student scholarship to study free in Russia on a scholarship. Skoltech Scholarship 2022 details. University host is Skoltech University and the degree level is Master and PhD. Scholarship coverage is fully funded. Eligibility nationality are all international students from all over the world. Award country is Russia and the capital of Russia is Moscow. The last date to apply for master degree program is 10 July 2022 and last date to apply for PhD degree program is 31st July 2022. So let's have a look on financial benefits of Skoltech scholarship program that are full tuition fee covered, free master program, free PhD program. You don't have to pay the fee to study in Russia. Monthly stipend 40,000 RUP per month. RUP is Russian currency. Free medical insurance, variety of academic mobility program, no application fee. Duration of scholarship program for master degree 2 years and for PhD degree 4 years. Why to choose Skoltech scholarship? Enjoy courses and supervision under world-renowned scientists and engineers. Find significant freedom in choosing courses, design an individual study plan that allow you to obtain a modern education with a broad interdisciplinary component. Check out the possibility to choose between fundamental and applied profiles within the program. Experience an open, dynamic, international environment that brings together hundreds of scientists, engineers, and entrepreneurs with serious ambition. Students and professors from more than 25 countries study and teach at Skoltech. English is our language of instruction and official business. Discover opportunities to visit world-leading universities and international conferences. More than 1/3 of our students have spent or will spend a semester at Massachusetts Institute of Technology and other top universities. Wow, that's a great opportunity. Explore the integration of research, education, and innovation. Discover a culture of supporting students' startup. Available academic fields for master degree program: advanced and digital engineering technologies, biotechnology, computational science and engineering, data science, engineering, energy system, mathematical and theoretical physics, material science, petroleum engineering, photonic and quantum material, space and engineering system. Available study fields for doctoral: computational and data science and engineering, engineering system, life sciences, mathematics and mechanics, material science and engineering, physics, petroleum engineering. Documents required to apply for this program: online application link is given below, okay, and motivation letter, updated CV, your resume, proof of proficiency in English, that is IELTS or TOEFL. Students may submit an application without this information, but all will be asked to provide it at a later date. Okay, that's a good opportunity. Copy a transcript in English and original language of all higher education institutions attended in the application phase. Copies will be sufficient, but official copies must be provided at a later date. Optional result of the graduate record examination. Your GRE result is optional. Eligibility criteria: A TOEFL IELTS score is not required if the applicant receive a degree at a university where the medium of instruction is English. For master program, bachelor or specialist degree or its equivalent from an accredited university. For doctoral program, master or specialist degree or its equivalent from an accredited university. Application deadline. The application deadline is 10 July for the master degree program and 31st July for the doctoral degree program. How to apply? So go to official website. So guys, this is the official website. You can check it here. So I'm going to apply for Master of Science. Go to application process and go to online form. So this is application form. First of all, you have to write your first name here, your telephone number, your email address, then accepted degree level and school tag. Either you are applying for MSc program or PhD degree program. Then your country of citizenship, and I have read and agreed to the terms, then continue it. So as I already make my account, so I'm going to sign in my account. Sign in. So this is a very simple application form. As you can see, I have completed my profile and education details, and yet I have to complete my professional details. So first of all, you have to complete your profile, then your education details, and then you are at the end professional details. Professional details include your resume, your motivation letter, two recommendation letters, and if you have any GRE or IELTS or TOEFL result, then you have to upload this result here. This is a plus point for you. And your university certificates can copy award and other documents and then simply save it. So guys, this is a very simple application form. In profile, you have to simply put your basic information, then your education details, and then your professional details, whether you are applying for master degree or PhD degree program. So guys, if you are eligible, then must apply for this scholarship program. Also, share this opportunity with your friends so that they also benefit from this scholarship program and avail this handsome opportunity. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.